Hey guys, it's Roxy Chow and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. My peeps, I can't explain how excited I am to share this special homemade juice recipe with you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button because today I'll show you step by step how easy it is to make deliciously refreshing and tantalizing Jamaican carrot juice with lime. Let's get started. So guys, we'll begin by cleaning up the carrots as shown. Now if you don't have a peeler, you can simply remove the skin by gently scraping it with a knife. Now do ensure that you only remove a thin layer of skin so that we make the best use of the carrots. So here's a handy tip. Remember to clean up your workspace as you go along to make overall cleanup a breeze. So I use a blender when juicing. It's what I grew up using and I continue to do so to enjoy the nostalgia. However, if you prefer the ease of using a juicer, then definitely go ahead and do so. For those of you using a blender, please pay close attention to the next step because I'll show you two ways to cut your carrots small enough to ensure they blend well. My peeps, it's very important that you're careful during this step. Just make sure to take your time and use a cutting technique that you're comfortable with. You can also try a kitchen gadget that does the work for you. If you'd like one of those kitchen gadgets that makes it easier to cut up your carrots, I'll try to find a good one and then link it in the description box below. So guys, before I go any further, as usual, I have to big up all my subscribers. Thank you so much for taking that quick second to hit that subscribe button and to join the Roxy Chow family. If you haven't yet subscribed, but you're enjoying my content, don't be shy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more satisfying recipes. Bless up every time. So guys, making this video brought back a lot of exciting childhood memories. Who else had to help with making juice on a Sunday when them did little? Growing up in Jamaica, I would help my mother in the kitchen most Sundays, and that's how I learned my cooking skills. One thing though, me never like wash up dishes. Just give me the cooking part and me good. But you don't know how it go in a Caribbean household. You had to learn how to do both. My peeps, comment below your favorite kitchen activity. Is it cooking, cleaning, both cooking and cleaning, or none of the above? Before I forget guys, if you haven't already hit the thumbs up button, please go ahead and show this video some love by giving it a like. Anyway guys, me now go chatting out for the whole video. Go and check out each step and I'll be back at the end. Enjoy! So there you have it, guys. That's how to make refreshing Jamaican carrot juice with lime, Roxy Chow down style. Enough love and blessings, and see you in my next video.